Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing Baclofen, which is a centrally acting muscle relaxant. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN Pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on centrally acting muscle relaxants so you can follow along with me. Baclofen, which is a centrally acting muscle relaxant, is used to treat muscle spasms caused by spinal cord injury, traumatic brain injury, and disorders such as cerebral palsy and multiple sclerosis. Our cool chicken hint to help you remember this medication and what it's used for is to think if you have a back injury that causes spinal cord damage, then you might need Baclofen for muscle spasms. In terms of mode of action, Baclofen enhances the effect of GABA in the central nervous system. As a reminder, GABA is the main inhibitory neurotransmitter in the brain. It calms the nervous system and prevents neurons from firing excessively, which in turn decreases muscle spasms. Common side effects of Baclofen include drowsiness, dizziness, weakness, nausea, and constipation. In terms of patient teaching, it's important to advise your patient that they should not abruptly stop taking Baclofen because this can result in severe withdrawal symptoms such as hallucinations and muscle rigidity. This medication needs to be tapered down slowly over several weeks. In addition, since Baclofen can cause constipation, you should advise your patient to increase their intake of fiber and fluids. And because Baclofen is a central nervous system depressant, you should also advise your patient to avoid alcohol and other CNS depressants while taking this medication. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. Baclofen enhances the effect of which neurotransmitter in the brain? The answer is GABA. Question number 2. Which of the following are common side effects of Baclofen? Select all that apply. A, drowsiness. B, agitation. C, nausea. D, hypertension. And E, constipation. The answers are A, C, and E. And question number 3. For patients wanting to discontinue Baclofen, what patient teaching should be provided? The answer is Baclofen should be tapered down slowly over several weeks. It should not be abruptly discontinued, as this can result in severe withdrawal symptoms. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. This medication needs to be discontinued. Common side effects of Baclofen include drowsiness, dizziness, weakness, to not abruptly stop taking that they should not. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.